darkness in the wilderness, finding what's up here through all the hindrances. Lying in bed, eventually ready to go, stopping at nothing to start a show. Searching for a place, a place to meet your needs. Here I am, if you want to face me once again. Life's a play, and it's trying to use some surrender.
At approximately around 1:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time in Gastonia, 50 people went missing after listening to us unknown song, but 5 people reported a human with a disturbing smile and empty eye sockets with red pupils roaming around the streets. This human is confirmed to be connected with the song and not a normal human. The other 15 people reported a hand hanging out of a busted bag. Its origins is unknown, but it is advised that you will stay individually, lock out doors and windows, and do not approach to human. More information will be gathered as a situation develops. This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. WXL 70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain. The following message has been transmitted at the request at the Gastonia Police Department and the Defense of the Republic and the Department of Homeland Security. This is a civil danger warning for the civil emergency message that was sent out an hour ago. The authorities have now given the description of the song's name. The name of the song is FNF Game Over Kameron vs Kameron EXE with lyrics. Civil authorities have now confirmed the name of the unknown human figure. Kameron EXE. Kameron, would you tell us what is going on?
Hello everyone, I am Kameron, and I've been a hero since April 1st, 2025. You've mainly seen me defeat Dallin at Yorkchester Middle School. But all I know is just, the figure's name is Kameron.exe. And I am not sure what the heck is going on. But I know we are in the summer break of 2026. Now I'm about to be in 8th grade this year in August. So, I wanted to make an announcement for this. So, if you want to listen to the song, grab a Bluetooth device to connect it to any device you have. And you can turn up the volume, but not to max volume. Because otherwise, Kameron.exe will immediately find your location, will teleport behind you, and then stab through your chest, puncturing your heart and killing you instantly. Anyways, Steven, go back. I'm going back to you. Thank you.
Lock all doors and windows and do not let him in your house. More information will be gathered as a situation develops. The record low was 32 degrees Fahrenheit, which was set on January 14, 1893. This is a Level 7 evacuation notice for residents within a 345-mile radius until further notice. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the North Carolina Highway State Patrol. Kameron EXE has been killing people over the past 24 hours. He is holding claws out of his hand before stabbing the person, puncturing their heart and killing them. This situation is dangerous and should be taken seriously. For more information, dial 911 or call the Gastonia Police Department at 704-866-6702. This message will repeat in 3 hours.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. This is the update to the civil danger warning that was issued 3 hours ago. Kameron EXE can summon powerful creatures that can wipe out an entire family in seconds. We have backup from Kameron, who will try his best to stop him. Do not go outside for approximately a week as the battle will happen in about a day. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gastonia Police Department. Seek shelter now. You cannot battle. You will die if you do, unless you have an armor and weapon to defend yourself at all times. This is Tom signing off for a week. All clear. Repeating, all clear. Kameron EXE has been defeated, and is going back to his dimension. All residents of Gastonia, thank you for your cooperation, and you may now get out of your shelters. Thank you for watching this EAS Scenario. If you want to watch EAS Scenario Fan 2020 Season 1, click to the left on your screen. On the right, please subscribe to EAS Scenario Fan 2020 for more content like this. Thank you for watching.